Hey guys, welcome to Amiable Foods. Kung Korean cuisine lovers kayo, this recipe is for you. Stir-fried glass noodles, japchae, japchae. So mag-start tayo sa sauce. I-mix in ang brown sugar sa soy sauce. And then sesame oil. Isunod ang garlic. At haluin hanggang ma-dissolve ang sugar at fully incorporated ang mga ingredients. I-mix in ang kalahati ng sauce sa 300 grams thinly sliced beef. Make sure na lahat ng slices ay ma-coat ng sauce at i-marinate ang beef for at least 30 minutes. While waiting, pakulutin ng tubig with salt. Next, tipin natin yung spinach para i-blanch. Siguraduhin na nakasubmerge ang spinach for an even cooking. Guys, mabilisan lang to, so mga after 1 to 2 minutes, okay na siya. Alisin sa pot ang na-blanch na spinach. And guys, remember, huwag natin tatapon yung tubig. I-transfer natin ang spinach sa ice cold water and leave it there for about a minute. After, squeeze out natin yung water and then transfer natin sa isang plate for later use. Using the same pot and water kung saan tayo nag-blanch ng spinach, lutuin naman natin yung potato noodles. Guys, cook natin yung noodles according to packaging directions. Or pwede nyo rin malaman by pinching a strand para malaman kung luto na siya. Pag luto na yung mga noodles, i-drain natin yung water. Tapos, i-rinse natin sa cold water. Haluin ng konti. Then, i-transfer natin sa isang bowl. Lagyan natin ng sesame oil to avoid sticking. Gently mix, then set aside muna. Next, mag-init tayo ng mantika sa isang wok or frying pan. Mag-fry tayo ng 2 beaten eggs para sa topping later. Same with the other ingredients, set aside muna natin. Next mga ka-amiable, stir-fry natin yung marinated beef. Guys, make sure wala nang pink yung meat, okay? Pag okay na siya, i-transfer muna natin sa plate. Using the same wok and same oil, mag-saute tayo ng onion. Isunod natin yung julienne carrots. Then yung assorted colored bell peppers para mas vibrant yung dish natin, di ba? Idadagdag naman natin ngayon yung na-blanch na spinach. Guys, again, mabilisan lang to kasi na-blanch na yung spinach, so 30 seconds okay na. Then, season with salt. I-tip in na natin yung stir-fried beef. At haluin mabuti para ma-distribute yung mga ingredients. Next guys, add natin yung potato noodles or glass noodles. After adding the noodles, i-gently toss in para ma-incorporate lahat ng ingredients. Then guys, idagdag natin yung remaining na sauce. Give it a quick toss para mahalo ng mabuti yung sauce. Huwag natin kalimutan yung fried egg. I-roll natin and then cut into strips. I-tap natin yung fried egg strips sa japchae. Mag-add tayo ng toasted sesame seeds for extra texture. And that's it guys. Serve and enjoy. Bon appetit! Until next time!